gastrulation. It is a process in embryonic development which is characterized by movement of cells in small masses or sheet as to form primary germinal layer. There are three primary germinal layers: endoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. The cell movement that occur during gastrulation are called morphogenetic movements. Since they lead to initiation of morphogenesis, the product of gastrulation is called gastrula. Formation of primary germinal layer. History: inner cell mass or embryonal lobe possesses stem cells that have potential to form all types of tissue and organ. Normally, they get rearranged to form a flat embryonic germinal disc. The latter differentiated into two layers: outer epiblast of larger columnar cell and inner hypoblast of smaller cuboidal cell. Hypoblast function as embryonic endoderm. It is the first germinal layer to differentiate. Hypoblast grows on the sides and forms a covering over the blastocyst. This converts the latter into the primary yolk sac. Meanwhile, trophoblast of this region grows to form extra embryonic mesoderm. It is split up and produces extra embryonic coelom. It presses the primary yolk sac. A secondary smaller yolk sac is formed simultaneously. Embryonic endoderm form a tube of its own. The tubular structure is gut tract of the embryo. Epiblast forms both ectoderm and mesoderm of the embryo. Most of its epiblast grow laterally to produce ectoderm. However, at least one point it is earliest evidence of embryonal epiblast cells proliferate to form first a cellular elaboration called primitive streak. The cells continue to proliferate and pass out between epiblast and hypoblast. They form the third germinal layer called mesoderm or intraembryonic mesoderm. Formation of foetal membrane. Foetal membrane are the membranous covering a sac connected to the embryo. All of them are extra embryonic, are therefore also called extra embryonic membrane. They are four in number: chorion, amnion, allantois, and yolk sac. Chorion, it is the outermost foetal membrane which is formed at the outer layer of trophoblast. Chorion forms villi and other foetal parts of the placenta function. Chorion performs the foetal part of placenta. It provides attachment to fetus. Fetus are transferred to mother's blood through chorion. It is the site of exchange of gas between the fetus and the mother. Amnion, it is the inner foetal membrane which lies immediately around the embryo. The foetal membrane is formed by the inner layer of trophoblast. It includes a cavity called amniotic cavity. The cavity is filled with a clear fluid called amniotic fluid. A few fetal cells float in this fluid function. Amniotic fluid surround the embryo. It protects the same from any injury by functioning as shock absorber. Amniotic fluid regulates pressure and temperature around embryo. It prevents desiccation of embryo.